Fire that baby up for this cold start, Michael. Oh, that sounds like crap. That's much better. What's you filming there, Michael?
Same thing it is.
Well, everybody, we're back, and just about got everything wrapped up on old hookers and blow for Michael. He's underneath there fixing some wires that ain't so good, but Dad and I've done a little bit of fixing here, and Michael's gonna be soon to take this baby out for his first little spin, so that's gonna be freaking sweet. Can't wait. Hopefully it runs as good as it sounds, because personally this thing's pretty wicked, and I've listened to it on camera. And you lose a little bit of the badassery, but most of it's still there. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. You declare it done, Michael? Good enough.
I'm gonna drive it. I wanna go drive it.
He's gonna go drive it. Go drive it, Michael. First, you gotta get some of that fruity water. She's legal, Michael.
I know.
Sweet.
2018, 2020 are the same colored stickers.
What's your first impressions, Michael?
I like it. I don't have second gear, but I like it.
Yeah, we ain't got second gear. Oh, it's a bouncy, bumpy ride.
So you need 2 speeds anyway.
Yeah, fast and faster.
Slow and fast.
Get going and go.
Yeah, I manually put it up in second gear and I had nothing.
Yeah, it's just dead, nothing.
More shifters hitting second gear right.
No, it should be. I mean, it might be a little more adjustment needed.
It's fucking loud.
And it's bouncy.
Yeah, you can hear you all over.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the whole neighborhood's pretty pissed. But the truck's legal.
That's right, it's legal.
It's very legal.
Alright, we're gonna make one more round and we'll pull in.
Yep.
I'm gonna go hide.
Maybe. Oh yeah, there's the header. I'm sorry about your good used transmission missing second gear, Michael. But
We'll have to figure that out.
yeah, well, we got a good one in Dad's car, and we got about 4 others we can pick from. Like I said, we just need to invent a quick change system. So, you know, I mean, at least you got most of your gears.
Yeah.
It could be a lot worse.
I could have none.
Yeah, you could have none.
Yeah.
But we appreciate you guys watching and for checking out this first drive of Michael's old Dodge truck. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Well, before we end out, we're gonna see how this baby sounds with Michael's mufflers. In fact, I think were these Dad's old mufflers off his Hemi?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're chambered mufflers, I think these are a thrush weld.
Yeah, they are.
So they ought to sound pretty good on the old truck, so we're gonna get them temporarily mounted until we're ready to do an exhaust system. And we'll see how it sounds. As always, Rob from Jake's hooking us up with bolts.
I thought you said I needed bolts.
Well, we need some lock washers probably, at least, but
I got lock nuts.
we'll do lock nuts. So, we'll get them out. Alrighty, well, Michael's got his clamps on there. What do you say about we install them some guns, Michael?
I'm game.
Alright,
Ready?
let's get at her.
Install.
Self-installing mufflers.
How about you? Install?
Looks good enough to me. That'll appease the neighbors.
Yeah, let's see how she sounds.
Yeah, mufflers are there. They're close enough to the headers.
Yep, good enough. I'm good.
Sweet. Well, I said we we're gonna put the mufflers on. They're on, but Dad's making spark plug wires.
Well, you just started.
Oh yeah, but Michael's got a spark plug out because we are fixing that one header tube gets like insanely close to the spark plug. Can't put a socket on there, so yep, that's a little overkill. But we'll get her done. We're putting these little heat shields on the spark plugs as well. These are the Jake spark plug wires. They going together pretty good, Dan.
Yeah, yeah.
I think they're like 35 bucks or something. They're pretty cheap.
Be nice if we had the crimping tool for a fancy crimper.
Yeah, Rob.
I understand that.
Yeah, part number 4206, 8.5 millimeter yellow ultra power without an E wires for small block and big block Chevy over valve head or under headers. They're just make your own kit, but they work out pretty good. They're pretty sweet wires. They say Jakes. Oh, you just put a dent in that radiator. That looks a lot tidier on camera. You did a damn good job on them wires, Dad. I'd say Michael and I did a damn good job separating. We put little number tags on there. Michael's 6 is upside down. It's actually number 9.
It's a 9-cylinder.
9-cylinder. You know, like the Beatles song "Number 9 Revolution." That's makes absolutely 0 sense. That's a little better.
Depends on if you was born in 60.
Yeah, it depends on how much LSD you're currently tripping on.
Number 9. Number 9.
No.
Yeah, I guess I'll hook the battery up to her and fire her up.
Yeah, let's see if it still runs on all 8 cylinders and how it sounds with them mufflers. The header leak now.
And niche. Don't be judging me in my niching skills.
Oh, I'm judging. I'm judging hard. Alrighty, Michael. Take 2. I ordered. honest with the idle. Sounds pretty good to me. Like I said, temporary. The hell, Dad? Dad approved? Sounds pretty good, Michael.
Neighbor approved.
Well, maybe not neighbor approved. Depends on what neighbor you're asking. But sounds pretty good.
I just remember to bring that damn alternator and fix that scenario.
Yeah, because your pulley alignment's not the greatest.
And when you gouge it a little bit, that belt just gets all floppy on the bottom.
It's probably from the bad alignment.
Well, it won't
One wheel peel. I wasn't expecting that. That's pretty, look at that damn distance.
Well, I should start cutting down on it.
Yeah, there's a lot of tuning needed to be done to those carburetors. He's kicking rocks. Oh, damn. All right. Hope y'all enjoy.
Bye-bye.